Hey, what's up, guys? It's Team Hard Life Captain Albert Sartucci, and I've got some more cell lines, and somehow I just deleted the video of the disassembly of the two systems that I have right here, but I got my parts back from my welders, so I'm actually going to reassemble them, and that's the part y'all will see. But man, my bad. Really, my bad. I was kind of ticked off right now. Then I was trying to see if maybe the phone had saved it to the trash file, but I'd also stopped doing that because the trash file would save all the deleted files until I deleted them, and then my phone wouldn't have no room for me to record. So stay tuned, guys. We got this.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta learn. I'ma call the whole team.
Alright, guys, so I've got my gear on. I just got to get everything else assembled. So now it's actually, I can't even do that. I still got to go and make these gears bigger so that way they can actually fit this on here. I totally forgot about that. Yep. Nice. Well, time to work on those for a bit. That's gonna suck. Yes, perfect fit. Getting a little better at this, but definitely it will now turn the way I need it to turn. So time to get them cleaned up and up to the front. Get it put back together. Guys, so I had to go to the store to get some more screws to attach my lens here, and in doing so I needed to bring my other drill because I lent my other DeWalt to my brother, and yeah, so I'm gonna have to use my Milwaukee to do the drill, because I hate connecting and disconnecting my drill bit for my screw bit to get it in there, so I have to go back and forth using these tools. And gotta make sure I got the right screw for this. Boom. All right. Okay, so actually, I might have to go a little thicker on the top end. The reason being, because I don't want the plexiglass to split. A little bigger. Oops. So now I wish I had a third drill. But let me get at least one of these screws in there in place before I start continuing on. So now I'll drill these two, and then I can pretty much ensure that I won't be off. And what I mean by off is that by putting the 4 holes in, when I start to try to drill over here, I've done it before where I'm going to drill this and I slide down a little bit and I don't catch it, then I'm off on my holes. So by locking these two in place, I'm pretty much ensuring that my plexiglass will be completely straight across. So now I can drill my plexiglass holes a little bigger on the top end to make sure they don't crack, and I'll put my screws in at the very end. And it doesn't seem like much, but I ain't taking any chances because, like I said, it's with everything going on, plexiglass is going off the market like crazy, so I am using what I can in the meantime before I have to go searching for some more. Definitely cracking it right now would be a bad thing. Beautiful. Put a thin bead around the outside right here. Beautiful. Alright, so looks like I need a little bit more on that side, so I'm going to open this up and I'll show you what I'm looking at real quick. So right in here, you can see where it's a nice, good, bold outline. Well, right here, it needs a little bit and a little bit right there. So let me loosen those up a little bit. Got it. Yes, I'm going all the way around again because when I put the plate on, it pushed some of that glue out. So I just want to make sure it's all good to go when I set it back down so I don't have to readjust. There we go. Now what I'll do real quick though is I'm going to wipe down the edge, and that's because this glue it's pretty thick, but still it tends to run if you have a little bit too much, so I don't want it doing that. There we go. Let's see if I can get that inside. I can't. I'll wait till it dries before I can get to that right there. Yeah, it's close. Too bad I don't have a smaller hand, but still, you can still see in there pretty clearly into the spool. So that's what we're mainly concerned about right there. So let me see if I can get that. That's not going to work. Let's see. Yep, that's a bit better. Awesome. All right. Well, that's one down, one more to go. So let's check out the next one. Beautiful. Nailed it on that one with the amount of glue that I put on there. And yes, it's always trial by fire because you can't really I don't have a syringe or something that I can actually put an exact amount, but that looks pretty nice. So there you go, guys. We got both of the cell line configurations done. Now I'm just waiting for the line, which I ordered Saturday. Was supposed to ship out Monday to be here by Tuesday because I paid for overnight shipping. I got an email Thursday saying they ain't getting here till next Tuesday. Great. Thank you, coronavirus. Not nice. Not nice of you at all. So, alright guys. Hope you all enjoyed this one.